Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will going to solve a nice exponential and radical problem. So our question is root 10 of root 10 of root 10 is equals to 100 to the power of x. Here we are going to find out the value of x. So let's start our solution. Now first I want to remove this first root. So for that I will going to raise square both this side. Now here this square and this would get cancelled. So the expression we'll get 10 root of 10 root of 10 is equals to, here the powers are going to be multiplied by using the exponential rule. A to the power of m whole to the power of n can be written as a to the power of m times n. So here this will turn to 100 to the power of 2x. Again, I am going to raise square both the side for removing the other radicals. So 10 root of 10 of root of 10 whole to the power of 2 is equals to 100 to the power of 2x and whole to the power of 2x. Now here this will turn to 10 to the power of 2 times this square and this will get cancelled. So here 10 root of 10 is remaining is equals to, again the powers are going to be multiplied. So it will turn to 2 times give us 4x. Now here we have the 1 power. So I can write this. We have the same basis here. So we are going to add up the powers. A to the power of m times a to the power of n is equals to, this have the same basis, so we are going to add up the powers. So same here, I will going to write 10 to the power of 2 plus 1 root 10 is equals to 100 to the power of 4x. This will 10 to the power of 3 times root 10 is equals to 100 to the power of 4x. Now here I will going to raise square both this side. Now here 10 to the power of 3 whole to the power of 2 times root 10 whole to the power of 2 is equals to, this will turn to 4 2 times give us 800 to the power of 8x. Now here the powers are going to be multiplied. So 10 to the power of 3 2 times give us 6. And here this 10, this square and this will get cancelled. So here 10 is remaining is equals to 100 to the power of 8x. Here we have the 1 power. So again, I will going to use the same exponential rule. 10 to the power of 6 plus 1 is equals to 100 to the power of 8x. This will turn to 10 to the power of 7 is equals to 100 to the power of 8x. 10 to the power of 7 is equals to 100 to the power of 8x is our last expression. Now, we are going to change this 100 in the form of power. So 10 to the power of 7 is equals to 10 to the power of 2 and whole to the power of 8x. Now the powers are going to be multiplied. So this will turn to 10 to the power of 7 is equals to 10 to the power of 16x. Now here we're going to use the exponential rule. A to the power of m is equals to a to the power of n. Here m is equals to n. So we have the same basis. So we are going to equate the powers. That is 7 is equals to 16. Here 16x. Now this 16 is going to be divide both this side. So this 16 and this get cancelled. So the value of x we find out here, that is x is equals to 7 over 16. Now it's time to verify my answer. I'm going to verify my answer. our equation is, now the value of x we are going to plug in here, that is 7/16. So root of 10. We are going to use the radical property, and root a can be written as a to the power 1/n. So here root is equals to 1/2 always. So I'm going to write 10 to the power of 1/2 is equals to 100 to the power of 7/16. Here we have the 1 power. So I'm going to add up the powers because of the same basis. 10 root 10 to the power of 1 plus 1/2 is equals to 100 to the power of 7/16. Here first I'm going to solve this. So root 10 to the power of 1 plus 1/2. Here we have 2 LCM. Here we get 2 plus 1 is equals to 3/2. So here in replacement of this, I will going to write 3/2. 3/2 is equals to 100 to the power of 7/16. Now in the next step, again I will going to remove this radical by using the radical property. Root 10 to the power of 3/2 and whole to the power 1/2 is equals to 100 to the power of 7/16. Now this time the powers are going to be multiplied. So this will turn to 3/4. Root 10 times 10 to the power of 3/4 is equals to 100 to the power of 7/16. Now we have the 1 power. Again, we have the same basis, so we are going to add up the powers here. Root 10 to the power of 1 plus 3/4. So 1 plus 3/4, as I'm going to solve, here I will get 4 plus 3 is equals to 7/4. So in replacement of this whole power, I will going to write 7/4, 10 to the power of 7/4 root is equals to, this is equals to 100 to the power of 7/16. Now I will going to change this 100 in the form of power 10 to the power of 2 and whole to the power of 7/16. Now here this 2 and this get cancelled out by 8. Now here I will going to again remove this radical by using the radical property. 1/2 is equals to 10 to the power of 7/8. Here this 10 to the power of 7 and this 4 to 10 give us 8 is equals to 10 to the power of 7/8. So here the left hand side equal to the right hand side. So the value of x, that is 7/16, is absolutely correct. Thank you so very much for watching my video. If you like my video, please do subscribe to my channel.